plate capacitor, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So today we are going to study about the capacitance of capacitor, parallel plate capacitor filled with medium. Okay. So I'm going to write parallel plate capacitor with medium, and medium means a material which is called dielectric. Okay, and the meaning of dielectric means insulating material or insulated material, insulator. Okay, so these medium should be put between the plates of parallel plate capacitor. Then we have to find what is the capacitance. Okay, now I want to tell you about nature of insulator or behavior of insulator in an electric field. Actually, when we put a dielectric, or you can say an insulator material in the field, so here will be the field. Yesterday someone asked me a question that are the field lines are like this. Who asked the question? Is he here? किसी ने पूछा था मेरे से सवाल. और ये जो किनारे का लाइन होता है वो ऐसे होता है, और इसका कारण मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूँ कि जो प्लेट का शार्प एज है यानी एज है, वहाँ पे कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा होगा, और वहाँ पे अगर कंसंट्रेशन ज़्यादा होगा तो फील्ड वहाँ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म होगी. तो खैर उस बात को छोड़ के हम यहाँ पे आते हैं आज की बात पे. सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू प्लेस हियर अ डाई इलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब. तो ये रेड कलर का हमने पूरा डाई इलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब डाल रखा है. ओके, अब ये जो डाई इलेक्ट्रिक स्लैब है ये इंसुलेटर है, और इंसुलेटर का मतलब ये होता है कि इसके अंदर the electrons will not move, the electrons will not in motion. What will happen then? जैसे ही आप इसको यहाँ रखोगे, यहाँ पर on the left side of this insulated material, automatically there will be the negative charge development, and here will be the positive on the right side. On the right surface of the insulated material will be positive charge. This is due to induction. This is due to induction. But actually here this is called polarization. What is the name here? Polarization. I think you are very much aware of polar and non-polar molecules. I think you know. Because when we are, in the chapter number 1, we have studied about electric dipole, and I have, explained all the thing about polar, dipolar, and polar and non-polar molecules. So this is called polarization. Why is this called polarization? Because its one end is having negative sign, another end is having positive sign, so two signs are separated, so their electric dipole moment will not be zero, and that's why this is called polarization. So after polarization, there must be some electric field inside the insulating material, isn't it? You know that there is an electric field which is initial electric field, that is from left to right, and as soon as we put an insulating material between the plates, there will be polarization, and after polarization there will be another electric field whose direction will be from right to left. Are you getting what I'm trying to explain here? One electric field is outer electric field, another electric field is internal electric field, and this internal electric field is generated when we put a dielectric material between the plates. So what will be the net electric field? E?
Zero.
No, zero. Actually, EO will be greater one. Okay, EO minus EI, whatever may be the value. अगर equal होगा तो zero भी होगा. If E naught is equal to EI, then E will be zero. Otherwise, there will be some electric field net between the plates, and due to this electric field, all other composition will be discussed, and this one should be आगे आते हैं हम लोग, आगे करते हैं. सो सबसे पहले अगर कोई पूछता है व्हाट इज द इम्पैक्ट ऑफ डाई इलेक्ट्रिक मटीरियल after putting it between the plates of capacitor, what can you say? When we put an intrinsic electric and internal electric field will be developed, that will reduce the intensity of external or outer electric field. तो आप जब आप डालते हैं इंसुलेटर तो असर क्या होता है? क्या असर होगा भाई? Once you put an insulating slab and an insulating material between the plates of a capacitor, what is here? E reduces. What happens? The electric field reduces. Is that clear? E कम हो जाता है, बस इतना सा ही. आइए आप देखते हैं हम लोग कि आगे क्या होता है जब ये कम होता है. इसी के चलते कैपेसिटेंस, आपको पता है ई में अगर फर्क पड़ गया, इफ देयर इज द चेंज इन ई, देयर विल बी समथिंग will happen to V, and if V changes, this will lead us to C changes. So it means when we put an insulating material between the plates of a capacitor, the capacitance changes. कैसे चेंज होता है हम उस पे आते हैं. ओके, तो चलिए देखते हैं. Capacitance of a capacitor of a PPC with dielectric medium. So let me have PPC here. This is the first plate of PPC. This is second plate of the PPC. Okay, and I'm going to place here a material. So from here I'm going to put a material here. Okay, now this material, this dielectric material is having dielectric constant K. डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट को किससे प्रेजेंट करते हैं? कैपिटल K. So I am going to consider that the dielectric constant of this material is K, and here I am going to place the charge plus Q, and here the charge minus Q. Okay, so I am going to write on the left plate there is plus Q charge, on the right plate there is minus Q charge. So here will be a charge density minus sigma, here will be plus sigma, on the right one there will be the density minus sigma. The area of the plate is capital A, and the distance between the plates is D. Now I have told you that if we insert a dielectric medium, a medium between the plates here, then there will be the change in electric field. Let us find out what will happen to the electric field. If we consider the electric field between two charged plates with opposite nature, तो कल हमने ये डिसाइड किया था, कल हमने बोला भी था कि कितना इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड आता है कल दोनों प्लेटों के बीच में, बोले भाई, E is equal to सिग्मा बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट. तो अभी ये हो जाएगा Q बाय एप्सिलॉन नॉट A, और ये तब होगा जब देयर इज नो मीडियम, यानी क्या है वहां पे? फ्री स्पेस है. अगर आप एक इंसर्ट कर देते हैं मीडियम, इफ वी इंसर्ट द मीडियम of dielectric constant K between the plates, what will happen then? E will be changed. Now it will become E. Q will be same. आपको पता है कि आपने क्या किया है, आपने सिर्फ किया है प्लेट को डाला है, चार्ज को चेंज नहीं किया है, तो चार्ज नहीं बदलेगा, एरिया नहीं बदलेगा, सिर्फ और सिर्फ एप्सिलॉन नॉट की जगह क्या आ जाएगा? एप्सिलॉन आ जाएगा. एंड एनी वन ऑफ यू कैन से मी व्हाट इज द फार्मूला फॉर एप्सिलॉन if K is the dielectric constant? Who will say? Shivani, can you say me? Yes, epsilon naught K into A. Now can we calculate potential from here? Then potential difference between the plates, आपको पता है ये हमने कल कैसे निकाला था? हमने कहा था E is equal to V upon या डेल्टा V upon डेल्टा X. So E is here Q upon epsilon naught, KA is equal to डेल्टा V को V मान लेते हैं, डेल्टा X will be D here. Then Q upon V will be what? If I am going to do epsilon naught KA upon D. Very good. And Q upon V is equal to C. Can we write? Okay. So see, this one is the formula for capacitance of PPC with the medium. And what was the formula earlier? Let me write it. C0 is equal to epsilon naught A upon D. Okay, this is for free space. So what do you think? Capacitance decreases or increases?
Sir, increases.
Okay. And what about electric field? Look here. What about electric field? It decreases. Because you know any medium which is dielectric, which is insulator, that is having K greater than 1. Okay. If you are having any material, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि सबसे लीस्ट K फ्री स्पेस के लिए होता है, और फ्री स्पेस के लिए K कितना होगा? 1 होगा, एंड दैट इज द लीस्ट वैल्यू. ठीक है, उससे कम नहीं हो सकता. तो जब आपका कोई भी चीज जो 1 से बड़ा है, दैट इज कमिंग इन द डिनोमिनेटर, द एंटायर वैल्यू विल बी डिक्रीज्ड एंड हेंस v विल बी डिक्रीज्ड. यहाँ से अगर आप v निकालोगे, E इज इक्वल टू v अपॉन डी करके, तो v मीन्स पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस विल आल्सो डिक्रीज and hence the capacitance will increase. So you got the idea about the effect of dielectric material on placing it in between the plates of a capacitor. Okay, now I am going to say you that you are filling a material. You are taking a capacitor. Okay, this is parallel plate capacitor, but this time you are placing the material, the dielectric material, but not completely. It is partly filled. Okay, so capacitance, this is not in in your NCERT syllabus. This is for your competition. Capacitance of partly filled PPC. Okay, this is not for your CBSE NCERT. This is for your competition. So थोड़ा थोड़ा हमें कंपटीशन भी पढ़ना चाहिए ना. So now you are again going to give the charge, and the charge value is how much? How much you have given? Q. So here is plus Q. Here is the charge minus. Here will be minus Q. Okay. Now the plate distance is D, but the width of the dielectric slab is T only. Sorry, this is T, and area is A. So everywhere area is A. So here will be free space. Here will be free space, but here is medium, and the medium is having dielectric constant how much? K. आप लोग को स्क्रीन पे ये सीधा सही से तो दिखता है ना? क्लियर तो होता है कि नहीं? ठीक है, तो चलिए अब आप हमें बताएंगे कि अगर मान लीजिए इसके डिस्टेंस को मैं x मान लूं, व्हाट विल बी द डिस्टेंस हियर? Anyone else?
D minus x. D minus x. D minus x plus t.
D minus x plus t.
Oh, very good. D minus t minus x कर लो, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब आप देखो, मैंने कहा कि जैसे ही आप कोई डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल डालते हो, पोलराइजेशन हो जाता है और इधर को माइनस आ जाएगा, एंड देन क्या होगा, इधर को प्लस आ जाएगा, और फिर इधर को माइनस है ही है। तो अभी आपको क्या लगता है कितने कैपेसिटर बन जाने चाहिए? 1, 2 एंड 3, है ना भाई? कैपेसिटर का मतलब
Yes, sir.
दो प्लेटें, one plate is having positive charge, another plate is having negative charge. Okay, so how many capacitors are made here? Okay, so we have to consider the electric field for each capacitor. So E1 I am going to write. Even for first capacitor, how much it will be? Q by epsilon naught A. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay. Now E2 will be Q epsilon naught Ka. Okay. And E3 will be how much? Q by epsilon naught A. Okay. This is for what? For first capacitor. And this one is for second capacitor. And now third one. Now what about potential difference between the plates? PD means potential difference for the first capacitor. Anyone? क्या होता है? V is equal to E और distance के बीच क्या relation होता है? Now I want to know what is the relationship between E, delta V and the distance.
Delta V equals to V dot R.
Delta, no, here it is written, here E is equal to delta V upon delta X. So here I am going to take V. So V is equal to what will happen? E into D. Now first capacitor is having what value for D? D की कितनी वैल्यू है पहले कैपेसिटर के लिए? X है. Now we can write the potential difference for the capacitors. फर्स्ट के लिए कितना? V1 is equal to E1 into X, and that is equal to Q upon epsilon naught A into X. For second, how much? V2 will be equal to E2 into what is the width of second? T, and it will happen Q upon epsilon naught Ka into T. And for the third one, V3 is equal to E3 into D minus T minus X. It will happen here epsilon naught A into D minus T minus X. What is the net potential difference for the entire capacitor? So net potential difference for PPC, what will be? पोटेंशियल का जो डिफरेंस होता है वो सिंपली ऐड हो जाता है 1 + 2 + 3 like. So just add it. What will you get? Q by epsilon naught A will be taken as common, and here will be X, here will be T by K, here will be d minus t minus x. So what will happen? X will be cancelled. So v is equal to देखिए क्या आया, q by epsilon naught a, and here will be d minus t by k, ये ना, d minus t plus t by k, sorry. So q upon v will be equal to epsilon naught a divided by d minus t plus t by k, and this is equal to c. So c is equal to epsilon naught a d minus t plus t by k. Okay, so this is for today. अब है take the attendance. Okay, so thank you. Which one, beta?